Hey guys, welcome to Hatter Sports Network. On this week's episode, we're going to find out what the Stetson basketball team loves about Christmas. So Cha-Cha, what's your favorite part about Christmas?
The snow.
So what's your favorite part about Christmas?
My favorite part is being with my family
I get to go home.
and being around people that I love.
What's your favorite Christmas movie?
This Christmas with Chris Brown.
Home Alone.
Charlie Brown Christmas.
Favorite Christmas song?
I don't have one.
I saw Mommy Kissing Santa Claus by Michael Jackson.
Is that bad?
This Christmas.
I saw Mommy Kissing Santa.
But no, okay, you know this Christmas when Chris Brown sings.
And this Christmas will be.
Yeah, he sings this Christmas. Actually, I didn't know that. Yeah, that's the favorite song, I must say.
What's your favorite food to eat during Christmas?
Macaroni,
Macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese.
collard greens,
Cabbage.
ham,
Ham and turkey.
Ham.
stuffing, dressing, cakes.
Sweet potatoes. Pies.
I like to eat.
Everything.
What is the best gift you've gotten on Christmas?
Brother. Which sucks, but it really was a good Christmas present.
Well, when I was younger, I had like this little Barbie Jeep, and I think that was my favorite gift.
He ruined our Christmas that year, though.
Jewelry. He was born on Christmas?
No, he was born like a few days after Christmas, but she went to the hospital the day after Christmas. He ruined my Christmas. I was supposed to go shopping that day, but he was a good Christmas gift, so it was okay.
What are some things on your Christmas list this year? Dr. Martens boots, limited edition sneakers,
A new phone,
Biggie t-shirt, an Xbox,
a tablet,
money.
something simple.
Oh, iPhone. Are you getting anyone anything good for Christmas this year?
I'm gonna get my mom like a gift card to Burlington Coat Factory, like $100 for that.
A Polo Ralph Lauren jacket. It's so nice.
My dad, because he likes to shop like at like Sears and Home Appliances, so I'm gonna get him something like that.
Just came in today. It has a little packaging complimentary wrappage. It has a card in it too. Just make sure he doesn't see this because then he'll know what he got.
We're trying to get my parents a vacation to Hawaii. That's about it for their anniversary.
That's the best one I've heard all day. Okay. Thanks, Cha-Cha. Thanks, CJ. Thanks, Jasmine.